recording and just sit through it. It's a little cold out here, so you don't have to stay out here if you don't want. Holy shit, Dad's here. But it's good because my camera wouldn't pick that up. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and wait for the whole cycle and then translate it later. That was 2 S's. F. Fuck, I lost that one. That was a T, that was a H, that was an E. Don't know what that was. We're nearing the end of the cycle.
It's an amazingly strong
beam, yeah, which is a little crazy. But there's no trail behind it, which makes me think it's not a big spotlight. Cool, that was the end.